If you're looking for a fast and easy way to create YouTube chapters, whether you're doing a long extended podcast or it's for a regular video, then I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. My name is Rakeem Madison. Let's get into the content. All right, so first things first, I want to let you know that by the end of this video, you're about to have one of the most effective and fastest ways to create YouTube chapters here on YouTube right now. And I want you to hold me to that, right? Because when I first learned how to do what I'm about to show you, it literally blew my mind. And instantly I thought in my head, like, there's so many people out there, even some of the people that I roll with closely, who have been asking about something like this right here. All right, so let me just get right into it because I don't want to waste any more of your time. All right, so first things first. Inside of your YouTube studio, what you want to do is you want to first go get the YouTube link to your particular video, right? So let's say if it was this video right here, I would come in here, click the little pencil, and then come over here and grab the link. Now, that's not the video that I'm going to use, because what I want to do for you is I want to show you, based on different video links. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I'll click up here, and then right here, you can see it says YouTube chapter generation based on video link. So we got a video that's under 20 minutes. I got one that's more than 20 minutes, but less than 30 minutes. And then I got one that's 1 hour or more. So that way you can get all the different perspectives of how long it takes and all of those different things. All right. All right. So the first step in this process is I'm going to grab the link to this first video that's under 20 minutes. All right. Now we're going to go over to a tool called Instant Chapters. So Instant Chapters, what it does, I'll just break it down to you. You're going to take your YouTube video link, and then you can see right here, it says, go ahead and put your URL right in here, right? So what we're gonna do for this first video is I'm gonna paste my URL in here, and let me explain what this chapter sizes mean. So if I move this all the way to 9, what that means is it's gonna try to make the chapter short, right? Now, if I move it all the way to 1, basically what's going to happen is it's going to create the most amount of chapters that it can, and they're going to make it as relevant as possible to the content. All right, so first we're going to use the one that goes all the way to 9, just so I can show you what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit generate chapters, and what it's doing is it's going through my video and it's going to automatically generate me some chapters. Watch this, give it a few seconds. All right, so check this out. You can see it generated the chapters for me, went ahead and took care of everything, and then boom, it gave me YouTube SEO tips, getting to the point, watching competitors, and building topical authority. Then it went right here and it said using a custom SEO content strategy plan generator. At the 8-minute mark, YouTube SEO tips, including finding low competition keywords. Now, me personally, what I like to do is I like to give it as much chapters as it possibly can, right? So instead of using this setting right here, what I'll do is I'll bring it down to about 3. Then I'll say generate chapters again, and then you're gonna notice that the amount of chapters that they create is gonna get longer based on how low the number is. All right, so give it a few seconds. All right, so check it out now. So right here, YouTube SEO tips for ranking your videos, analyzing the top ranking YouTube videos, building topical authority, maximizing your traffic. So it's literally breaking down what I'm talking about in this video. And you can see I didn't really have to do anything. I didn't have to use my thinking power to, create chapters, because sometimes that could be a very strenuous process, right? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and get another video. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the video that's more than 20 minutes but less than 30 minutes. I think the video is like 29 minutes long or something like that. And then we're gonna come over here and paste that video in here, and we're just gonna keep the 3 because I kind of like when it really extends my chapters. So then I'm gonna go ahead and hit generate chapters, and we're gonna wait, let it do its thing. All right, so check it out. So literally doing the exact same thing. Affiliate marketing tips and rules to follow, using affiliate links and Bing tracking ID for ad campaigns, affiliate link creation and keyword research process. Is literally breaking down the video, right? This is literally mind blowing. When I seen that this tool was actually out there, I was like, this is something I literally been waiting for a very long time. Cause I'm telling you, when you sitting there trying to think about chapters and you like, dang, what should I say or what should I do? That takes a lot of thinking power. trust me, trust and believe me. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go up here, and now we're going to go ahead and go back to this Google document. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to copy this video right here, and then I'm going to come back over here like this, paste this video in. Now this is the video that's an hour or more. All right. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep it on 3, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit generate chapters. All right, so as you can see, it pretty much started out my chapters, helping you generate more traffic for your business. Talked about understanding YouTube and keyword ranking, because that's what I talked about in that particular live stream. And then understanding YouTube's relevancy and exact matching keywords. So it's literally going through like what I was talking about earlier. It's breaking down the video, and it's doing it in a good way, not in a way where it's just like looking at everything and then giving these just like out of this world type chapters that don't really have relevance to what you're talking about in the video. So as you can see, this is a very, very powerful tool. And let me real quickly show you, the pricing and different things like that, if this is something that would interest you. So you can see right here, they have a free trial. You'll be able to generate chapters for 100 videos per month. You save tons of hours, right? Because obviously, if you're using your thinking power, then you're not saving no time. And then right here, 7 days completely free. So you get to try before you buy. All right. And then you can cancel anytime. It's no strings attached. And then it's $9 a month to have a tool like this. And can you imagine just being able to do this, put your video in there and literally save yourself a bunch of time, especially if you're doing any podcasts, or maybe your videos are just extremely long and you don't want to have to use that thinking power. Then this tool right here, and my recommendation, is going to be a tool that's going to save you a ton of time.